Welcome. In this short C# tip, we'll write a tiny program that checks whether a given string starts with W immediately, followed by two more W characters. In other words, whether the string begins with www. This is a common microcheck, for example, detecting legacy web prefixes. And it's a great opportunity to practice safe string handling and concise conditional logic in C#. Let's walk through the problem and code and a few test cases. Our goal is simple. Detect the prefix www, will handle null empty input safely and treat the check as case sensitive. So, full caps www would be false unless you explicitly choose case insensitive matching. For most use cases, the built-in starts with is the most reliable and efficient tool. This implementation is compact and robust. We first guard against null or empty input, where we avoid exceptions. Then, reject strings shorter than three characters. And finally, call starts with www. If you prefer case-insensitive checking, replace it. The function follows a small sequence of checks: a null empty guard, a quick length test, which is cheap, and then the prefix test. The starts_with method is implemented efficiently by the runtime, and using the length check first avoids calling it on clearly impossible inputs. Here are the representative test cases. Notice how short inputs and strings where www occurs later do not pass. These are the expected behaviors for a strict start of string check. While checking for www is simple, it is a useful micro example. You can use this to normalize URL handling, flag legacy input, or teach safe strings operations. If you're working with user-provided URLs, remember that www is only one possible subdomain. Consider using a URL parser for more complex scenarios. That's the full solution. Short, safe, and clear. We've used defensive checks and the runtime start with for clarity and performance. If you want, I can show a variant that normalizes input, where we trim whitespace and lowercase first, or a version that validates full URLs, which will help you next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.